Yo, my Nexus SNAP team just got bigger. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, anytime somebody joins me in the Nexus SNAP opportunity, I always reach out to them and give them the opportunity to either come on my channel or allow me to do a shout out video welcoming them to the team. So with that being said, I want to give a huge thank you and congratulations to Kenny Barnes, who a few days ago decided to become a Nexus SNAP premium member. Now, I asked him why did he want to join Nexus SNAP, and he told me that he actually was looking at another opportunity and he was going back and forth deciding like should he join that opportunity or not. So apparently he came across one of my videos talking about Nexus SNAP and he was like, you know what? I want to rock with this. Another thing Kenny said in the email was he was looking for something to actually supplement his current job. All right, so you know, he working, he grinding, he do what he do, but you know what I'm saying, like most people, he wants some more money. He want to earn some extra income, and I'm excited because Nexus SNAP can actually do that. Well, I told him, if you want to be successful with Nexus SNAP, you want to share this opportunity with as many people as you can, because this is one of them things where like you can feel good about promoting it. You can feel good about telling your friends, your family, people on Facebook that you know. Like this is one of the things that you can feel good about. You know what I'm saying? Hey, are you interested in, you know, learning how to save on your groceries, learning how to get cash back when you get gas? Are you looking to get your bills reduced? Like, look how easy that is to promote. So this is one of them things that you can promote very, very easily. I also told him, which I tell everybody that join Nexus SNAP, like use the apps, right? I know a lot of people get excited about, you know, the compensation plan and how much money can be made, but a lot of people, they forget, like you're a member, right? So use the apps inside of the program, use the benefit hub, use the medication discount program, use the bill reduction program, like use it, because worst case scenario, say you join Nexus SNAP and for whatever reason, you know, you don't make any sales, you don't refer nobody, all right? You're still getting crazy benefits from being just a member, just by using the apps. You're saving money and you're getting cash back, even if you don't even like recruit nobody or refer nobody. But most likely you want to make some money from the comp plan, and you can do it if you just put in some effort and share the opportunity. That's all you got to do. Once again, congratulations to Kenny. I look forward to helping you grow your Nexus SNAP business. Now, if you want to join me and Kenny in Nexus SNAP, all you need to do is click that first link in the description and we will see you on the team.